Welcome to MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. My name's Bill Herr. Today we're going to be taking a look at this new listing that I just took on. This is a 2006 Sea Ray 300 Sundancer. As you can see, nice cockpit seating area. Carpet's in great shape. Seats and cushions are in very good condition, as well as the fiberglass tabletop right there. This also has the camper canvas, which is a nice option. Any of those days where get a little rain or anything like that and you're out and about, you can kind of cover the boat up and still be able to sit back here without any canvas going up over your head. This is new last year, so it's got nice new isinglass around the front there as well. Great for some of those rainy days, or if you're running any weather, or if it's a little bit cooler, still able to go out and enjoy the boat and have some fun out on the water. So you do have a refrigerator and freshwater sink on the port side over here. You also have an upgraded Simrad screen, something that was added, as well as a double helm seat here, so you can have a co-captain sitting next to you. This is a dual throttle boat, so nice and easy, able to maneuver around in close quarters nice and easily with the dual throttles, spin the boat. And then you have nice gauges, all in very good shape. Bezels are in great shape, no scratches, no cracks, anything like that. And then all of your switching and everything. Very easy for the captain to operate this boat. And this does have 147 hours on the twin engines. So as we head down into the cabin of the boat, as you can see, nice layout, forward seating, sleeping area up there. You have storage underneath as well as storage on the sides. Spin back around, see television there, galley area, cooktop, refrigerator, storage, freshwater sink, and a microwave there. On this port side as well, you do have the head compartment. Again, very, very clean boat. You can see it was extremely well taken care of. And then you can take that shower up there and hook it up top, and this becomes a wet head. Spin around to the starboard side. Nice seating area, great for having dinner, hanging out. Again, storage all over the place. Sea Ray is great with all the storage and using space. All the cabinets and everything are in spectacular condition. You also have access to your panel right here. Generator on and off. And then the aft sleeping area back here that you can fill in right there and make a bed. Then you have some storage and everything down there as well. So you are able to sleep 4 adults on here. You know, if you wanted to take a trip somewhere, maybe a long weekend, overnight weekend, you can do that. Again, just pan around up here. So if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Again, this is a 2006 Sea Ray 300 Sundancer in spectacular condition with very low hours. You can reach me on my cell. It's 484-680-4392. Thank you, and we'll see you on the water.